our history in automated fiber placement, both in robotics and either a horizontal or a vertical approach, really lent itself to the next step in 3D printing. We started with a focus primarily on aerospace, but what's happening with this product is we're getting a lot of pull from the general market. They want something that's more nimble, that's maybe more transferable from one location to the next, and also has more flexibility for a variation of parts.
A robotic 3D printer is a great entry point into the aerospace market because not all parts in the aerospace industry are super big. This is definitely going to revolutionize the aerospace industry and other industries where you need parts with high structural integrity but less of a size than a classic machine tool.
Ingersoll offers two different robotic products. One is what we call a standard and the other is what we call inverse robotic solutions. Typically, standard robotic operations are better for larger components, and smaller parts really lend themselves well to this inverted process because it's very agile and very fast. The industry these days is really pushing that robotic envelope, but we need to get them to perform on the same level that the larger gantries, the machine tools perform. We've been working with Siemens to really bring that technology to the next level and to get that higher performance out of the robotic systems.
Working with Ingersoll on advanced robotics for us is truly an exciting opportunity. We saw a shift in the CNC market. The customers wanted to get into doing more machining with robots. We build CNC controls, we develop CNC controls. Why shouldn't we just made up a CNC control with an industrial robot? And this is what you're seeing behind you. Even though it's a robot, it's a true CNC machine.
The capabilities that we get from working really closely with Siemens are positional accuracies. Traditionally, robots have a decreased accuracy compared to the larger machine tools. With the updated Siemens packages, we could take the positional accuracy of an off-the-shelf robot and increase it tenfold. Ingersoll's simulation package is developed in-house, but we use a lot of the Siemens tools in that simulation package. The Siemens VNCK allows us to fully simulate the robotic motion so that when we get out to the machine and we're actually producing parts, there's no surprises. We've already seen it in simulation, and it runs exactly the same on the machine. The Siemens control is doing active monitoring as we go. All that is built into the Siemens PLC, so we're getting continuous monitoring of the process so we know exactly what's going on at all times.
The degrees of freedom this machine has with the 6 axis plus the table is very complex. The Siemens CNC control is powerful enough to control that robot as a full CNC machine, and also the simulation software behind it. The Ingersoll can verify their parts and verify the part program before they even lay out.
Siemens has been a great partner in all of this, and really if you think about what the customers are asking for, they're asking for accuracy, they're asking for repeatability, they're asking for the end use to be a durable, reliable, productive solution, something they can rely on and put a business plan against. And that's what we have when we take what we bring to the table as Ingersoll, and then what also is brought to the table with our partnership with Siemens.
Innovation, innovation, innovation. We want to have that partnership that's really built on this innovative spirit and wanting to develop new technologies and push the envelope.